Hey guys, today I'm going to look at this 2-pack of diamond grinding wheels. You're going to be able to use these with a die grinder, and they do come with everything you need to get them installed. The other thing that's really nice, you get a 2-pack. I like that they're individually packaged as well. You can see here they've got a nice gold color, so you can check on wear, everything like that. And these are artificial diamonds that are all around the outside here. Very cool. So a couple of things that you can use these on are like an air die grinder, or potentially some other type of grinder like a Dremel or something like that. They do have a 20,000 RPM speed limit on them, so keep in mind with that. You don't want to use them on maybe a roto zip tool or something like that that does like 26,000. Now there are a couple of things here to look at. You do get all of your little hardware pieces here as well to be able to put this into the chuck on the die. Super easy to use. Basically, you just need to get your die grinder here, put the little base in. You're going to put your top piece in here and then go ahead and screw this in. So again, super easy to install and to use. And again, you can see here it does have a nice little design on the outside, so you're going to be able to see the wear and tear. So let's get a closer look and get grinding. All right guys, here's a closer look at the grinding disc. You can see all of the grit right here, and this does translate over into the edges. And again, you get a 2-pack, again 20,000 RPM, 2 inches, and 1/4 inch chuck. And it does come with the mount here, which is nice, so you don't have to get that separate. And you do have a extra screw here as well. So let's go ahead, get some gloves and safety glasses on, and start grinding. All right guys, we've got it hooked up. You want to make sure that you've got your gloves and your eye protection on when we're working, because there will be sparks flying. And you also want to note which way that it's rotating to make sure that the sparks are flying away from you. So we'll go ahead and get this hooked up, start cutting on a few of these pieces down here. All right guys, I'm going to start grinding away with my 1/4 inch stem mandrel, just like Jeremy. Fun thing about this is that it is 2 inches in the outside diameter, 1/4 inch on the inside. It has a nice thickness of 1 millimeter or 1/24 of an inch. The other thing is, this is going to be the perfect little tool to keep in your toolbox. The main reason why is because you can use it with a Dremel, an angle grinder, or a die grinder and save a lot of space. This can be mounted to a small 1/4 inch arbor tool, and you are going to get industrial grade diamonds on this, so they're going to stay ultra hard, unlike Jeremy. And what's nice too is that they are only 0.04 inches thick. Nice thing is about that, you're going to stay nice and cool with your cutting, and it's just going to cut through stainless steel and metal, like you can see here with this angle iron, and the screws before that like butter. You can use this on PVC, any kind of CPVC, iron, things like that. You do have a max cutting speed of 20,000 RPMs, and that can also be smaller depending on what kind of tool you hook this up to. Long story short, this is going to be great for any kind of wires, PVC cutting for plumbing, if you want to use drywall cutting, or like I'm doing right here, some angle cutting and things like that. It's going to be absolutely perfect. So grind away with your 1/4 inch mandrel and have a little bit of fun along the way.